नमस्कार. मी जयश्री विठ्ठल भिसे, शाळा राजा शिवछत्रपती प्राथमिक विद्यालय तळवडे, तालुका हवेली, जिल्हा पुणे. आजचा विषय इंग्रजी आणि इयत्ता 3च्या पुस्तकातील अपोजिट वर्ड्स आपण पाहणार आहोत. हाय चिल्ड्रन्स, टुडे we are going to learn opposites. Read the words, then complete the sentence and copy them in your notebook. First picture. The elephant is big, but the mouse is small. The first tree is tall, but the other tree is short. Tea is hot, but ice cream is cold. Gaurav is young, but his grandfather is old. The red shoes are clean, but the blue shoes are dirty. The blue shirt is wet, but the yellow shirt is dry. The first cat is fat, but the other cat is thin. The pink pencil is long, but the blue pencil is short. The rabbit is fast, but the tortoise is slow. The first man is strong, but the other man is weak. Make more sentences using your own ideas. Thank you.